Let's check what's in here, guys.
What in the world is that?
I don't know. That looks like poop. That's poop. Like that.
Okay, sour lake.
Yeah, so that means that it's not sweet.
This is the mud volcano, guys. Whoa. That's awesome, guys. Oh no, we're stuck, guys.
We gotta run.
Well, our car's over there. Oh, he's going that way. He's going that way, so we're good.
Wait,
Don't get too close, though. Just wait here. Just wait here.
The bison has a beard.
I know, huh? What do you think, Aiden?
Cool,
There's the
but
bison, guys.
has a beard.
Oh, he's going up now.